Did you know a dishwasher making minimum wage built an eight-figure restaurant empire? Marcus Thompson spent 2 years washing dishes at Romano's, watching perfectly good food get thrown away every night. He saw customers complaining about 20-minute wait times, while staff stood around confused. The kitchen wasted over 200 pounds of food weekly, so Marcus started secretly documenting everything in a notebook he hid in his locker. He saved every penny from his $7 hourly wage for 18 months. Then he walked into a bank with his detailed business plan. 3 investors said yes immediately. Today, he owns 47 restaurants across 12 states. His old boss now copies his efficiency methods. Sometimes the person washing your dishes sees what management can't.